ServiceNow IT Service Management. Online Training. Introduction to ServiceNow IT Service Management, ITSM. ServiceNow IT Service Management, ITSM, is a comprehensive platform designed to manage IT services and processes. Here's an introduction to its key aspects. Service Desk Management. ServiceNow ITSM provides a robust service desk solution that allows IT teams to handle incidents, service requests, and inquiries from users effectively. It streamlines ticketing, routing, and resolution processes to ensure timely support. Incident Management. It facilitates the handling of unplanned interruptions to IT services. IT teams can quickly log, categorize, prioritize, and resolve incidents to minimize disruption to business operations. Problem Management. ServiceNow ITSM helps in identifying and addressing the root causes of recurring incidents. It enables IT teams to track and manage problems through investigation, diagnosis, and resolution. Change Management. This module ensures that changes to IT infrastructure are implemented smoothly while minimizing risks and disruptions. It includes processes for requesting, approving, and implementing changes, along with assessing their impact. Service Catalog. ServiceNow ITSM provides a centralized service catalog where users can browse and request IT and business services. This helps in standardizing service delivery and improving user experience. Asset Management. It allows organizations to track and manage their IT assets throughout their life cycle. This includes procurement, deployment, maintenance, and retirement of assets, ensuring compliance and cost efficiency. Knowledge Management. ServiceNow ITSM includes a knowledge base that consolidates information on common issues, resolutions, and best practices. It empowers users and IT staff to find answers quickly and reduce dependency on support. Reporting and Analytics. The platform offers robust reporting capabilities to monitor service performance, SLA compliance, and key metrics. It provides insights that help in optimizing IT service delivery and identifying areas for improvement. Integration Capabilities. ServiceNow ITSM integrates with other IT tools and systems, enabling seamless workflows and data exchange. This includes integrations with monitoring tools, HR systems, and financial management software. Automation and Workflow Orchestration. Automation plays a crucial role in ServiceNow ITSM, automating routine tasks, approvals, and notifications. Workflow orchestration ensures that processes are streamlined and efficient. Core components of ServiceNow ITSM. ServiceNow ITSM, Information Technology Service Management, consists of several core components that collectively help organizations manage IT services and processes efficiently. Here are the key components. Incident Management handles the life cycle of incidents from detection and logging through resolution and closure. It ensures that disruptions to IT services are minimized and service levels are maintained. Problem Management focuses on identifying the root cause of recurring incidents and proactively preventing future occurrences. It aims to minimize the impact of incidents that cannot be prevented. Change Management manages the process of planning, scheduling, and implementing changes to IT services, ensuring minimal disruption to services while maintaining control and compliance. Request fulfillment provides a standardized way to handle requests from users, such as password resets, hardware-software requests, and access to services. It ensures requests are fulfilled efficiently and according to agreed-upon service levels. Knowledge management centralizes and manages knowledge and information related to IT services, known errors, workarounds, and solutions. It helps improve the efficiency of solving incidents and fulfilling requests by providing relevant information to users and IT staff. Service Catalog provides a centralized list of services available to users, along with their descriptions, prices, if applicable, and fulfillment workflows. It enables users to request services and IT to manage the fulfillment process effectively. Service Level Management (SLM) defines, monitors, and reports on service levels agreed upon with users in SLAs, service level agreements. It ensures that IT services are delivered as agreed and helps in continuous service improvement. Configuration Management maintains a comprehensive understanding of the configuration items, CIs, within the IT infrastructure, including their relationships and dependencies. It supports effective change and incident management by providing accurate information about the IT environment. Asset Management manages the life cycle of IT assets, including procurement, deployment, maintenance, and disposal. It ensures that assets are tracked, managed cost-effectively, and aligned with organizational needs. Release Management plans, schedules, and controls the movement of releases to test and live environments, ensuring that only authorized and tested changes are deployed. It coordinates with change and configuration management to maintain service integrity. Incident Management in ServiceNow. Incident management in ServiceNow focuses on efficiently resolving unplanned interruptions to IT services. Here's a high-level overview of how it typically works. Incident creation. Incidents can be reported through various channels, such as the ServiceNow portal, email, or phone. Users or automated monitoring systems often create incidents. Classification and prioritization. Upon creation, incidents are categorized based on their impact and urgency. ServiceNow uses predefined criteria to assign priority levels automatically or based on specific rules. Assignment. Incidents are assigned to appropriate support personnel or teams based on their nature and priority. This ensures that the right people handle each incident promptly. Diagnosis and resolution. Support teams diagnose the issue, often aided by knowledge base articles and previous incident records. They work towards resolving the incident within the agreed-upon service level agreements, SLAs. Communication. Throughout the process, stakeholders are kept informed about the incident's status. ServiceNow allows for automated notifications and updates to ensure transparency. Resolution and closure. Once the issue is resolved, the incident is formally closed. ServiceNow captures details about the resolution, which helps in building a knowledge base for future reference. Incident review. Post-incident, a review might occur to identify root causes and preventive measures. This feedback loop helps improve overall service reliability. Change management with ServiceNow. Change management with ServiceNow involves the systematic approach to managing changes to an organization's IT infrastructure, applications, and services. Here are key aspects typically covered. Change request. Users initiate change requests for modifications to IT systems, which are tracked and managed within ServiceNow. Approval workflow. Changes go through predefined approval processes based on their impact and risk levels, ensuring proper authorization before implementation. Change calendar provides visibility into scheduled changes to avoid conflicts and downtime. Risk assessment evaluates potential risks associated with changes to minimize disruptions to services. Change implementation tracks and manages the implementation of approved changes, ensuring they are executed correctly and efficiently. Post-implementation review assess the success of changes and identify areas for improvement. Service request fulfillment in ServiceNow. Service request fulfillment in ServiceNow involves managing and fulfilling user requests efficiently. Here are some key aspects. Request submission. Users submit requests through a service catalog where predefined services are listed. Request routing. Requests are automatically routed to the appropriate teams or individuals based on predefined workflows and categorizations. Approval process. Some requests may require approval from managers or other stakeholders before fulfillment can proceed. Fulfillment. Once approved, the request is fulfilled by executing predefined tasks or processes. This may involve provisioning resources, installing software, or providing information. Communication. Throughout the process, ServiceNow keeps users informed about the status of their requests through notifications and updates. Closure and feedback. After fulfillment, requests are closed in ServiceNow. Users may be asked to provide feedback to improve service delivery. Problem management in ServiceNow. Problem management in ServiceNow involves identifying and addressing the root causes of recurring incidents to prevent them from happening again. Here's a brief overview of how it works. Identification. Problems are identified either through proactive analysis of incident patterns or through trend analysis. Logging. Once identified, a problem record is created in ServiceNow. This record captures details such as the description of the problem, affected services, and initial impact assessment. Investigation. The problem record is assigned to a problem manager or a team responsible for conducting a thorough investigation. They analyze related incidents, look for commonalities, and try to determine the underlying causes. Root cause analysis, RCA. This step involves deeper investigation to pinpoint the root cause of the problem. RCA methods like fishbone diagrams or 5 whys are commonly used. Workaround and resolution. While the root cause is being determined, temporary workarounds may be implemented to minimize the impact of the problem. Once the root cause is identified, a permanent resolution plan is formulated. Change management. Implementing the permanent fix often requires changes to systems or processes. These changes are managed through ServiceNow's change management module to ensure controlled implementation. Closure and documentation. After implementing the permanent fix, the problem record is updated with details of the resolution. Documentation includes lessons learned and recommendations to prevent similar issues in the future. Continuous improvement. ServiceNow allows for continuous improvement by analyzing problem trends and taking proactive measures to prevent future occurrences. Incident management in ServiceNow. Incident management in ServiceNow focuses on efficiently resolving unplanned interruptions to IT services. Here's a high-level overview of how it typically works. Incident creation. Incidents can be reported through various channels, such as the ServiceNow portal, email, or phone. Users or automated monitoring systems often create incidents. Classification and prioritization. Upon creation, incidents are categorized based on their impact and urgency. ServiceNow uses predefined criteria to assign priority levels automatically or based on specific rules. Assignment. Incidents are assigned to appropriate support personnel or teams based on their nature and priority. This ensures that the right people handle each incident promptly. Diagnosis and resolution. Support teams diagnose the issue, often aided by knowledge base articles and previous incident records. They work towards resolving the incident within the agreed-upon service-level agreements, SLAs. Communication. Throughout the process, stakeholders are kept informed about the incident's status. ServiceNow allows for automated notifications and updates to ensure transparency. Resolution and closure. Once the issue is resolved, the incident is formally closed. ServiceNow captures details about the resolution, which helps in building a knowledge base for future reference. Incident review. Post-incident, a review might occur to identify root causes and preventive measures. This feedback loop helps improve overall service reliability. Service Catalog Management in ServiceNow. Service Catalog Management in ServiceNow refers to the process of designing, creating, managing, and optimizing the catalog of services that an organization offers to its users or customers. Here's a breakdown of key aspects. Service Catalog Design. This involves defining the structure and contents of the service catalog. It includes categorizing services, creating service offerings with descriptions, defining service levels, and specifying approval workflows. Service Request Management. Users access the service catalog to request services. ServiceNow facilitates this process by allowing users to browse available services, request specific services, and track the status of their requests. Workflow automation. ServiceNow enables organizations to automate the fulfillment process for service requests. This includes routing requests to the appropriate personnel or teams for approval and execution, ensuring service delivery according to defined service levels. Integration and orchestration. ServiceNow integrates with other IT management tools and systems to orchestrate the delivery of services. This integration helps in automating tasks and maintaining consistency across service delivery processes. Service Level Agreement (SLA) management. SLAs define the expected level of service for each service offering. ServiceNow allows organizations to define, manage, and monitor SLAs to ensure that service delivery meets agreed-upon standards. Continuous improvement. Service Catalog Management in ServiceNow supports continuous improvement efforts by providing analytics and reporting on service usage, user satisfaction, and performance metrics. This data helps in identifying areas for optimization and enhancing the overall service delivery experience. Knowledge management in ServiceNow. Knowledge management in ServiceNow involves the systematic creation, management, and sharing of knowledge across an organization using ServiceNow's platform. Here are some key aspects and features. Knowledge base creation. ServiceNow allows users to create a centralized repository of knowledge articles. These articles can cover a wide range of topics including IT services, troubleshooting guides, FAQs, and best practices. Content management. Users can easily author and edit knowledge articles directly within ServiceNow. This includes formatting options, attachments, and version control to ensure accuracy and relevance. Search and discovery. ServiceNow provides powerful search capabilities to help users quickly find relevant knowledge articles. This improves efficiency in resolving issues and accessing information. Life cycle management. Knowledge articles can go through a life cycle from draft to published, with approval workflows and scheduled reviews to keep content up to date and accurate. Integration with ITSM processes. Knowledge articles are integrated with incident, problem, and change management processes. This integration ensures that technicians have access to relevant knowledge during service operations. Analytics and reporting. ServiceNow offers analytics to track article usage, feedback, and effectiveness. This data helps organizations optimize their knowledge management strategies. User access control. Access to knowledge articles can be controlled based on roles and permissions, ensuring that sensitive information is protected while allowing relevant users to access needed content. Self-service portal. Knowledge articles can be made available through ServiceNow's self-service portal, empowering users to find solutions independently and reducing the workload on support teams. SLA management in ServiceNow. SLA, Service Level Agreement, management in ServiceNow is crucial for ensuring that service delivery meets agreed-upon levels of performance and quality. Here are some key aspects and functionalities related to SLA management in ServiceNow. SLA definition. ServiceNow allows you to define SLAs based on various parameters such as service type, priority, and specific conditions. You can set response times, resolution times, and other metrics that define service expectations. Automated SLA tracking. SLAs can be automatically applied based on the type and priority of incidents or service requests. ServiceNow tracks SLA progress in real time and notifies stakeholders of potential breaches. Notifications and alerts. Stakeholders receive notifications as SLAs approach or breach their thresholds. This ensures timely action to meet SLA commitments. Escalation management. ServiceNow allows for automated escalation procedures when SLAs are at risk of being breached. This ensures that unresolved issues are escalated to the appropriate level of support. Reporting and analytics. ServiceNow provides comprehensive reporting capabilities on SLA performance. This includes dashboards and analytics to monitor trends, identify bottlenecks, and optimize service delivery processes. Integration with incident and problem management. SLA management in ServiceNow is tightly integrated with incident and problem management processes. This ensures that SLAs are applied consistently across all service operations. Continuous improvement. ServiceNow supports continuous improvement through analysis of SLA performance data. This data helps in identifying areas for improvement in service delivery and operational efficiency. Reporting and analytics in ServiceNow ITSM. Reporting and analytics in ServiceNow ITSM, IT service management, are crucial for gaining insights into IT operations and service delivery. Here are some key aspects and capabilities. Out-of-the-box reports. ServiceNow ITSM provides a range of pre-built reports and dashboards that cover various aspects of IT service management. These reports typically include metrics like incident resolution times, change success rates, service availability, and more. Custom reporting. Users can create custom reports tailored to specific needs using ServiceNow's reporting capabilities. This involves selecting relevant data elements, defining filters, and choosing visualization formats such as charts and graphs. Dashboards. Dashboards in ServiceNow ITSM allow for the aggregation of multiple reports and key metrics onto a single screen. This helps IT teams and management to monitor performance at a glance and track KPIs in real time. Performance analytics. ServiceNow offers performance analytics, which enables advanced reporting and visualization capabilities. It allows users to create scorecards, set benchmarks, and perform trend analysis using historical data. Integration. ServiceNow ITSM reporting can integrate with other modules within the ServiceNow platform, such as incident management, problem management, change management, and more. This integration provides a holistic view of IT service performance. Ad hoc analysis. Users can perform ad hoc analysis by querying the ServiceNow database directly or using tools like ServiceNow's advanced reporting. This flexibility helps in exploring data beyond standard reports. Automation and alerts. Reporting in ServiceNow ITSM can be automated with scheduled reports and alerts based on predefined thresholds or events. This proactive approach helps in identifying issues early and taking corrective actions. What is ServiceNow IT Service Management, ITSM? ServiceNow IT Service Management, ITSM, is a comprehensive cloud-based platform designed to manage and optimize IT services within an organization. It provides a structured approach to managing IT service delivery and support, focusing on aligning IT processes and services with the needs of the business. Key features of ServiceNow ITSM include incident management, tracking and managing incidents reported by users, ensuring timely resolution and minimal disruption to services. Problem management, identifying the root cause of recurring incidents and implementing solutions to prevent future occurrences. Change management, managing changes to IT infrastructure and services in a controlled manner to minimize impact and ensure stability. Request fulfillment, automating and streamlining the process of fulfilling service requests from users, such as software installations or access requests. Service catalog, providing a centralized catalog of IT services available to users, facilitating self-service and efficient request management. Asset management, managing IT assets throughout their life cycle, from procurement to disposal, to optimize asset usage and reduce costs. Knowledge management, centralizing knowledge articles and documentation to support self-service and improve problem resolution times. Service level management, defining and monitoring service levels to ensure that IT services meet agreed upon performance targets and business expectations. Why choose ProExcellency for ServiceNow IT Service Management Online Training? Choosing ProExcellency for ServiceNow IT Service Management Online Training can be beneficial for several reasons. Expertise and experience. ProExcellency typically employs trainers who are experienced professionals in ServiceNow IT service management. This ensures that you receive training from knowledgeable instructors who understand real-world applications and scenarios. Comprehensive curriculum. Their training programs often cover a comprehensive curriculum that includes all essential aspects of ServiceNow IT service management. This can range from basic concepts to advanced topics, ensuring you get a thorough understanding of the platform. Hands-on experience. They often provide hands-on experience through practical exercises and projects. This is crucial for gaining practical skills that are directly applicable in a professional environment. Flexibility. Online training with ProExcellency offers flexibility in terms of timing and location. You can access training materials and attend sessions from anywhere, which is convenient for working professionals or those with busy schedules. Certification preparation. If certification is your goal, ProExcellency training programs often include preparation for ServiceNow IT service management certifications. This can enhance your career prospects and validate your skills in the industry. Support and resources. They typically provide ongoing support during and after the training period. This can include access to additional resources, forums, or mentorship to help you succeed. Reputation and reviews. Checking their reputation and reviews from past participants can give you insights into the quality of their training and the satisfaction of their students. Thank you.